Good morning, Michael with CyberLogix Reviews. Hey, we had the maybe tornado last night here in the neighborhood. 1300 block of town North Park, and got a phone call. Got a lot of people worried and concerned about me. I'll get back with them. So what I'm going to be doing is going around the neighborhood here and right close to me and just going over some of the damages that we've seen. And I talked to a lot of the neighbors last night. Everybody seems to be okay. No damages or injuries to people. So that's a very huge blessing right there. But I'm going to go around and just kind of shoot some of the stuff here and show you what I'm seeing, what happened to my house and yard, and we'll go from there. So bear with me and we'll do some learning here. So hang on. Okay, so we're in my backyard. I've got some debris. Got branches. Don't know how well you can see that. Got more debris. Some of my pots did not do real well. I've got a barbecuer, got kind of messed up there. I got very little damage from what I can tell, so I am very blessed. Looks like somebody's shingles from their home, their roof. I start off in my backyard. Good morning.
Hey.
I'm just kind of doing a prosperity video here of the neighborhood. Okay, starting again. Got trash and debris. I just found out from my neighbors, John and Gayla there, that the neighborhood has been secured by the police, and Gayla says there's something on her roof over here. I see something. If I can zoom in. Can't really tell what that is up there. Roof generally looks good, other than that piece of something up there for them. Their tree has been uprooted. City came out and helped move it over last night because it was blocking 3/4 of the alley last night. More branches, trash and debris, trash and debris. Trash. Stuff all over there. Okay, you can see definitely got the police down here blocking entrance to the neighborhood. Apparently we got hit pretty hard. It's obvious. Look in the other direction. There's more police. And further down is even more police. Got a bunch of my neighbors here. You can see all the tree damage all the way down. Hi, how y'all doing?
Good.
Were you afraid last night when the storm came?
Yeah.
It was pretty scary, wasn't it?
Yeah, because my tree in my yard fell down.
I saw that. I came out last night and saw that.
And the tornado came.
I know.
There's a big tree right there.
I know. Lots of things happened.
And then all those branches were on that street.
I know. I saw. I was out here last night too. It was bad.
And it happened over there too.
Bob, are you so cold?
Okay, a lot of more damage here. Now this across the street. Talking to the couple last night that lived there. They're saying that one of the key factors for them to buy the house was that big beautiful tree. And now you can see that big beautiful tree is like halfway into the street. So, good morning.
Good morning.
Glad to see y'all are safe. So now, interestingly here, this tree has fallen on both of their cars. You can see their van there, not doing real well. And there's another car here. It's hard to even see. Don't know if you can see this in here or not. You can barely maybe see the car is up inside there. Not very good. I suspect that tree had been there since the neighborhood was built. Little tree there, or branch, I'm not sure. It looks like it's part of a tree got knocked over. Neighbor John there, his got a big branch that's off already completely, and another one that's partly off, coming down. Again, there's lots of debris everywhere. Don't know where a lot of this stuff has come from. The shingles. Didn't know anybody had any wood shingles there yet. Yes. Got all sorts of trash in my side yard and debris, and you can see the fence in the back. Okay, here's the storage building, what's left of it, looks like. Interesting.
Am I in the video?
You want to be in the video? There's one of my little neighbor girls. She's out here watching the people. You can see damage way back there in their alley. And here again, I can zoom back out. I'm not exactly sure. That's part of a storage facility, I think. It's hard to tell. Got more trees or branches from somebody's tree there. Looks like it went through their screen. Hopefully it didn't go through their window, because they've got just recently added new windows. Okay, you can see more branches down, branch and tree debris all over. That tree's got quite a bit of damage, a couple branches taken down on that. He doesn't even have a tree in his yard, but he's got big branches up there in his front patio or porch. So, once again, the police have got the area blocked off. Neighborhood is blocked. Tree has just about seen its last days, I think, there. It's fallen in the sidewalk. Okay, once again, we're here in the 1300 block of Town North Park community. Looks like they got the barricades up there, keeping people from entering. There's trash. Debris, limbs. Several more branches, and damaged trees, and trash. Okay, got lots of tree branches. See if I can get that to come in focus. Tree basically got sheared off. Got parts and pieces for things that who knows what they're from. Just a quick glance down this street here, Dunbarton, like a storage shed from somewhere. I know that wasn't in the front yard. They've got some roof damage, looks like, or something on the roof. I can't quite tell. Very unfortunate, a lot of very old trees here. Many of them destroyed. Whoever wants to watch. But hopefully this is a once-in-a-lifetime event, and
Yeah, hopefully.
yes,
I don't want to get any closer to one of those things.
no.
This big tree came down here. This is where our little library used to
Oh,
be.
yes, yes.
It got taken out.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, that whole tree got
Oh,
uprooted.
So Dewey apparently has got somebody working on it already. Oh, there's that. Yeah, see,
We left last night, now we can't get back in.
yeah.
Well, that one hit the
there's
house.
roofing material down on the
Is
street.
there still?
Well, I don't know. I haven't been here this morning,
You
but
haven't been by this morning?
I'd be concerned about nails going through there.
I'll walk.
Is
I'll
it
walk it.
13, 14 is.
Alright, I'm gonna walk it.
Wow, that tree just even took all the parts of the top of this tree.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't see that last night.
I didn't come down this far. but-
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Your
can
name's Mike?
yes.
That's what I thought.
You're Lynn, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. The trees and branches. And fence is gone. Lots of branches. Some potted plants uprooted and moved. Like mine. Oh, quite a mess. And this has been a very nicely kept neighborhood, and it has
So Shiloh make it to the night okay?
yeah, she didn't even hardly flinch.
Alright, as long as my son was with my dogs, they were fine, so.
It looks like you got a bit of damage to the peak.
Water coming in.
Yeah, it looks like that peak got messed up, and well, you got the actual tree on that roof, don't you?
It's on the roof. I'm waiting for the professional tree guy.
I see, okay. Well, I'm glad you're safe.
Yeah, me too. I haven't heard of anyone that's been injured.
I haven't heard any personal injuries either. Don't know what this is or where that came from. Got siding or something that got ripped off of that house. More siding over there in the yard. Wow. The garage there. And the roof to the garage looks like is missing. A carport or whatever that is. There's additional fence damage down that way. Trees in the alley, blocking the alley. No access through there. A lot more trees, debris, trees and trees. And that house looks like they're missing some handful of shingles. A lot more tree debris down that way. Bunch more there.
Did you get
Kind of
damage?
Just minor stuff. I was fortunate I took my tree down in the summer. It had a giant hole in the middle of it. So.
We had tree.
I got a lot of roof damage. Some roof damage. And a lot of roof damage to that one. That's some sort of aluminum, looks like, roofing. And the one next to it doesn't look like it got affected at all. Another tree down. Don't know what this is from. Somebody's house, looks like. Somebody's roof of something. Wow. More tree damage. Wow. They had a nice swath of tornado come through, I'd say. Now that is an interesting piece of work. Wow. Guess that was somebody's patio cover at one time. Launched up in that tree. Wow.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Covers to look like the chimneys. Saw one of those earlier last night. Lots and lots of damage. Lots and lots of damage. trees and branches down all over the place.